Hi guys, welcome to Lux Travel. I am Marvin.
I am Anne-Marie, and we are at Conrad Punta de Mita on the beautiful Riviera Nayarit coast, and we're going to show you a tour of our beachfront suite. So be sure to like, subscribe if you're new, and leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you.
Yeah, thanks for joining us and enjoy.
Let's go inside. All right, so you have this very nice solid wooden door, and you walk in. There's a half back towards the left. We'll go back there in a moment. And to your right, you have your console that houses your refrigerator and your coffee station, some art on the wall. And then it opens up into a nice spacious living area. So lots of seating, very comfortable, very elegant, very natural, I would say. And also a very nice, unique artwork. So it kind of represents the beach and the ocean. So you have the brown with the sand or the white. And then as you go deeper, then you have the deeper shades of blue there. Some more artwork here. And very nice sized TV for Hun.
That's right.
And you have your panel glass. So you have you know, your walls of glass that kind of opens up to the ocean. So let's take a look at this. The best view here. So absolutely beautiful view of the sand and the beach and then the ocean. Very great. This is a wraparound balcony. So you have a nice table here, and as you wrap around, you have two lounge chairs. You also have your punch bowl. Overlooking again the beach, and then more seating. So in case we didn't have enough seating, so more lounge seating. Two chairs, I guess. That's another restaurant on that side. Let's go towards the bedroom now. Okay, so look at this bedroom. So beautiful, huge king size bed. Very natural type furniture. Look at that. There's a hint of color with the rug and the bench at the end of the bed. You have also a desk on that side. You have another large TV. So Marv.
Oh yeah, you know I like my televisions.
You have your walk-in closet.
Let's take a look at this real quickly. So a safe inside and a lot of space, some drawers, a lot of space to hang your clothing. At least Hunt to hang her clothing.
Let's go into the bathroom. All right, so generous space bathroom here. You have your floating vanity. So very nice stone on top. Look how thick that is. You have your double sink, your double mirrors. Might be LED lighted by the mirrors as well. Really good for a makeup application as well. You have your vanity sink over here with a seat in here. Nice mirror here. All right, and as you move along, you have this shower and tub area. So combined, you have your rain shower. And then check this out. This actually opens up into an outdoor shower. So here you have your outdoor shower in nature. And if you look, you have the pool on one side, you have your beach on the other side. Let's return this way towards the bedroom. So another feature here as well in the family room, you have your nice glass walls, so floor to ceiling, beautiful transition from indoor to outdoor living, so super nice. We hope you enjoyed the room tour. Thank you so much for watching.
Yeah, don't forget to check out our next video, which is gonna highlight a full stay at the Conrad Punta de Mita.